Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about max degree parallelism. In last video, we have spoken very basic details, how to set, how to change the values, and what is the cost of threshold parallelism. We have seen basic options. In this video, we are going to see some other options. So please try to watch my previous video if you did not watch it so far. Let's go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand the demo. So for timing, I have prepared a script for today's demo purpose. Okay, let's try to understand one by one. So I'm taking TBA demo parallel as a table for this demo purpose. In this table, it contains employee ID, first name, last name, phone number, birth date, address, gender, city. These are the columns available for this table. Okay, I'll try to execute it. So command complete successfully means table has been created successfully. I will try to fire a select statement. TBL demo parallel. Okay, just try to execute it. So there's no note edit. That's fine. Now I'll try to insert some data for this table. Okay, let's try to insert it. Execute it. One row affected. Now this time I'll try to insert 50,000 records. Let's see how much time it will take to insert 50,000 records for this table. We'll wait. Usually it won't take much time to complete 50,000 records. Still it's loading. Okay, so it took 49 seconds to complete 50,000 records. That's fine. Now okay, now now I will try to fire a select statement and we'll see how data looks like. Select stuff from table name. Okay, so now we can see, right? So 50,001 records has been inserted in this table, right? Okay, that's well and good. Now before executing select statement, try to enable the actual execution plan. Okay, just click on here. Now I'm trying to execute this select statement. So I'm just here, I'm using address as a predicate with the like condition. I want to fetch whether it is main, whatever the main it has been matched for the address column. I want to see those records. Okay, try to click on execute. I will see how many records it will be. So entire all the total records has been fetched. Okay, that's fine. Now we'll go to the execution plan. Now we can see that it's a sequential plan, right? Because this time degree of parallelism 1 and estimated subtree cost is 4.42 and memory grant is 39 MB. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to insert these 50,000 records also and we will see what will happen. Okay, so I'm inserting. So okay, I'm just canceling because I already enabled the actual execution plan, so I'm disable it. I'll try to execute one more time. I will see again it will take 49 seconds or close to 1 minute probably, then it will insert 50,000 records. So before executing, I will try to understand what are the default options for this max degree of parallelism and cost of threshold for parallelism. Already explained very great detail, but time being we will try to understand. So cost threshold for parallelism 5 and max degree of parallelism 0. Okay, now we'll see still how much time. So close to, yeah, this time it took 45 seconds to complete the 50,000 records only. That's well and good. Now the total record count is, I will try to verify by executing select statement. Now I can see around 1,29,000 records. That's fine. This time I'm trying to execute the same command, but before executing command, try to enable actual execution plan. Okay, so click on here, just execute it. Now we'll see. So okay, all the records as came as input. Try to click on execution plan. Now you can see, right, it's a parallel. So before executing inserting 50,000 records, it was a sequential, but after inserting 50,000 records, now we got the plan as a parallel plan, right? See, now you can see the operator also, parallelism, gather streams and cluster index, scan, filter, sort operator, and parallelism and select. If you place the mouse over here, you can see that, so degree of parallelism 4 and estimated subtree cost is 8.29. Default is 5, but here it's showing estimated subtree cost is 8.29025, and also degree of parallelism 4. It means that 4 threads has been used to fetch this data. We'll try to verify that. So right click properties, so go to thread set and click on here. We can see that result threads are 4 and used threads are 4, result threads are 4, right? We can see, right? Even if you want to detail how much thread it has been worked, so go to the cluster index scan, right click properties, actual number of rows for all execution. You can see, right, thread 1 how many records processed, thread 2 3 4, right? Even you can see parallel also true. Earlier it was false, but this time it was true because many threads are running, thread 1 2 3 4. What I'm gonna do here, I'm trying to change the max degree of parallelism as a 3 instead of 4. Okay, I'll try to customize this value and we'll see what will happen. So 3. Okay, try to click on OK. So here we can see, right, max degree of parallelism 4 only, right? So I'll try to execute one more time and we'll see is there any impact or not. Okay, click on execute. So I'm going to the execution plan, try to zoom it, we can see that, right? Okay, now I'm going to place mouse over here. Here degree of parallelism 3. Okay, because I have set this value, properties, even you can see here also thread set, say result threads are 3 and user threads are 3. Now I'm going to the cluster index scan, properties, can place the mouse over here. We can see thread 1 thread 2 thread 3, right? Thread 1 thread 2 thread 3. Okay, even if you go to this operator also, so right click properties, you can see, so what kind of physical operation, what is the logical operation is gather streams, and physical operation is parallelism, parallel true condition. So how many times it has been executed? One time. And also you can see, so memory grant 81 MB has been issued for this execution. So go to the properties, memory grant. Here we can see that memory, how much memory has been issued for this executing this query. So all the information we can find. Okay, so even if you want to set it as a 2, we can set it as a 2 for the max degree of parallelism also. You can customize it, but based on our requirement we have to decide. So okay, so we need a thorough testing before implementing this one is a production servers. Go to the execution plan, zoom it. Okay, now we can see degree of parallelism 3. See, in the first time when I execute this, it was 4. After that, I have changed the value as 3, and after that again I changed it to, right? Now it is parallel, not in a sequential, right? Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So thank you so much. If you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. And stay tuned for other videos also. Thank you.